So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna unbox this Google Home Mini, but not preferably unbox it. I'm just gonna review it, and I'm gonna just open it in front of you and show what's inside and how to operate Google Home Mini in the next video. For now, we're just gonna open it and see what's there inside and what will they give when you buy Google Home Mini. So let's get started. So before getting started, let's see the outer box. Like what are the given information about Google Home Mini. So let's get started, and yes, I have bought a charcoal color, so this comes in this color. So it's charcoal. You can buy chalk, and it's available in pink, I guess. Pink is there, I guess. So yeah, over here they just told us just start with normally, like, okay, Google, tell me about anything, like ask any of the questions, like you ask your Google Assistant on your phone. So it's really small, compact, and powerful. So yes guys, you can you can link your accounts like Savin, Google Play Music, Flip, Hue Bulbs, TP-Link, Netflix, YouTube, Google Chromecast, and yes, Times of India, which is only available in India. So you can connect a lot of devices, you can link a lot of devices, and you can control in one go. So now the price is, I'm gonna say, like $4,499 in the start. It's available on Flipkart, Amazon, and Google Store on the official website. And yes, on the down I've given small and mighty. So yes, Google Home has a built-in assistant in it, so it's small, it's compact, and you can ask any of the questions. It's hands-free, and you can do a lot of works with it. You can start with reminders, alarms, tasks, any questions, anything can be answered by Google Assistant. So yes, it has a built-in assistant in it. So let's open this. So guys, yes, before opening it, they give a tag, just pull it off so it gets open. You don't need to cut the box and open it, so it's sealed. And after opening it, you get a hard shell over here so that it protects Google Home Mini. So the package is not damaged if you buy it on any of the online shopping apps or applications. So after opening it, you get this throw of the box, and this is the main part. This is the main Google Home Mini over here, guys. So this is charcoal, and it's really cool because I like the jute texture, or like kind of cloth texture. It's rough surface, and down amazingly they've given the mat over here. So it is really cool because it doesn't get slipped on any of the slippery places. So it's really good. You can safely keep it anywhere, it doesn't fall. And yes, going to the buttons over here. So this is the mic on and off button. So guys, this is a manual mic button. This is mic on, and if you slide it, it's mic off, indicating that orange color or the red. So this is the USB adapter 2.0. so it's AC, like plug in and play. So you can't charge it. You just need to plug in, and you have to, it's like a TV normally. So it's like that. And yes guys, you don't know what's there down. Do you find any buttons over here on the mat? No, right? And it has a button down to reboot Google Home Mini anytime. So you can see the small circle over here. Just press it for 3 to 4 seconds, and the lights pop up and say, do you want to reboot the Google device? So you just need to say nothing. It just reboots itself by confirming. And it's really compact, it's easy to carry around, it's portable, but you just need electricity everywhere. So yes, it is good. So back to the box. The box is really packed good, and yes, they gave the cards on the go. So these are the cards that they give inside, so that you can just study Google Assistant in no time. So it's really crazy. So what are they given over here? Just take it off. Okay, So here it says, let's get started. Get to know your Google Home Mini and be safe. So these are the basic tips you just need to know before starting Google Assistant. So if anybody knows it, it's really cool. And yes, going back to the wires over here. So guys, this is the main thing that you need to plug in and play your Google Assistant. So it has really big wire, and yes, the wire is really, the quality is really crazy. I'm not gonna say anything else. And it has white matte finish with the Google logo, which is really crazy on the charger. So as this is bought in India, so it has Indian AC what do you say, the sticks over here. I don't know how to explain it. It has 2.2 USB adapter, and they have given this connector so that you can just open it, place it anywhere. You can use it for long distance, by the way. So really the wire is really thick, the quality is good, the built-in quality is also good. And going back to the main thing, the Google Assistant, it's really cool because you don't find Google Assistant in this. So you can just tap into the power of Google and get the real-time answers to your questions, manage your day, get daily news brief, set alarms, add items to your shopping list, learn about your commute and more. So you can enjoy entertainment using just say, okay Google, play any music on TV. So you just need Chromecast for that, which is not coming with the box. You just need to buy separate Chromecast for the TV so that you can just activate with the voice and just send the videos or anything to your Chromecast to view on your TV. So you can voice control your home by using smart applications or the bulbs, for example Flip Huey. So it's worth 2K per bulb, which is controlled by any voice assistant like Alexa, Google, and yes, even through your Bluetooth application. So it's really cool because Google has created something kind of this. It's the best assistant ever found. So guys, the next video will be on the the work. So how does it work? How yes, the compulsory thing is you need to have Wi-Fi, a bit strong Wi-Fi, because if you want the answers very quick, you need Wi-Fi with strong network. So that'll be even cool for Google Assistant. And the next video will be how will you set up a Google Assistant for very fast, like just 5 minutes setup or 2 minutes setup, it's done. So it's really cool, just plug and play so fast. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want more unboxing and tech videos on any of the applications or any of the products. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, don't forget it, man.